What's happening, everyone? We got another reset. Today we're doing the Vivo Y21s. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you forgot and you have to do a hard reset, we'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it will be deleted. Also, if you guys could like, share, comment, follow, we'd appreciate all that. Otherwise, let's get right into it. You have your power button right there, volume up, volume down. And in this phone's case, we want to hold volume up and power. And then it takes us right into the recovery mode. We can either reboot or go to recovery mode. And we want to use the volume buttons to navigate and the power button to select. So we'll hit power. Sometimes it does take a minute to load. Pretty nice phone. All right, so we'll do, you have your options of where you want to go. We obviously want to go to clear data. You want to not just clear cache, you want to clear all data. So we tap that. The touchscreen portion works, or you can use the volume up and down to navigate. So we'll confirm, okay. Now it's deleting all the data. And once it's done, it should give us the option to reboot the phone, and then that will get you back to the welcome screen, and then you can navigate the phone back to the home screen. So this is how we do a hard reset on Vivo Y21s. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you guys have any questions or comments, just let us know, and we'll try to get any model, if you guys are having trouble with any model, up sooner than later. We got a ton more stuff coming, so just let us know. So it's all finished up, says data's cleared, hit return, and we'll go all the way back to either restart or shut down, and in this case we're just going to shut it down since we're all done with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.